Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. We're closing the curtains on the 12th day of Jammas. 12 days of Jammas. Last video, let us do a little chit-chatting. I want to thank you so much for your love. I want to thank you so much for your support, for watching the videos, for sharing them, also for liking them. All I'm just asking of you, just to like some more, and also, most of all, to share some more. Okay? I just want to thank you also for your comments. So many of you all been, been just giving me all that love from all those videos. I didn't even realize you'd appreciate it so much. So we just want to say thanks, and we're feeling so fulfilled to know that I started out at one point. I was thinking if I would drop back, if I was gonna drop any day. But you know what happened? Family, it was a whole lot of work. But the Lord gave me the strength, and I push and I pull, I push, because I wanted it just to go right. We started it out and we want it to go right. So from now on, that will be this is our thing on the Jamaican cooking journey every December from now on. Hopefully everything goes well and all of that. Okay, so thanks once more. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support, thanks for everything. And I want to ask of you, each and every one of you that have watched, what was your favorite video? What was your favorite video of the 12 days of Jammas? Okay, on the Jamaican cooking journey. Nobody else now have that no way. It's ours. We own that. You and I together, we own that. Everybody have Vlogmas and all of them something there. 12 days of Jammas. We are Jamaicans. I am a Jamaican, to be exact. Most of you watch, you're Jamaicans. I live in Jamaica. So Jam is for Jamaica. Mass is for the ending part of Christmas. That was just always implemented by us. We created that. You know, we do a lot of creative things on the Jamaican cooking journey. 12 days of Jammas. And it was a success. Thank you so much. Wanted to give you some more, some more atty video. But you know what happened? The time was against us and all of that. But it's not over. It's just that we will not be uploading 2 videos per day. That was what the 12th day of Jammas was about, 2 videos per day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. 1 in the AM, 1 in the PM. That's what it was all about. So we're going to go back now to regular scheduling. Maybe for the rest of the month, we give you 1 per day. We're going to be trying. And then at the end of it all now, we'll be telling you the way forward in the new year on the Jamaican cooking journey, okay? It's going to be more intriguing. It's going to be more vibesy. It's going to be more enjoyable. So we are going to try our best to give 1 per day, because there are some other videos that I have that I've got to get into you, like your lasagna, your mac and cheese, the ham, uno have to get the ham. I'm working on the ham. I not get it yet, but I still try, and that one there, in big, in eleba, in massive, in humongous. The price is big, but I'm working on it, okay? So, thanks once more. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. Thank you so much. I love you. Love you. Love you. Each and every single one of you that has watched these videos, that have clicked the like button, that has shared it. I want to thank you so much for your love and for your support. I want you all know, if you're so new here, and if there are any videos that you are missing and you think maybe some I've not done as yet, but there are lots and lots of videos that people have been asking for that are on the channel. I have 400 and over videos on the Jamaican cooking journey. Okay? So I just want you all to go scroll down now. Search and search and search. And I see some of you have been doing that. So thank you once more. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the warmth. Because let me tell you something. You wouldn't even know, but one day you will know. So let me just say once more. Big thank you on behalf of Camera Girl and the rest of my family and myself. Thank you so much bringing down the curtains on the 12th day of Jammas on the Jamaican cooking journey. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.